The thermostat responds to changes in temperature by opening or closing sets of electrical contacts in an effort to maintain the desired temperature. A heating thermostat closes its contacts on a drop in temperature. The schematic of the heating thermostat is shown here. A cooling thermostat closes its contacts on a rise in temperature. The schematic of a cooling thermostat is shown here. When the system is set to the cooling position, current flows through the system switch to the cooling thermostat, which operates the cooling portion of the system. If the system is set to operate in the heating mode, current flows through the system switch to the heating thermostat, which operates the heating portion. Thermostats are typically manufactured with either a bimetal element or a remote bulb. The bimetal thermostat is made up of two dissimilar metals that are bonded together. They expand and contract at different rates, causing the bimetal disc or strip to flex. This flexing causes electrical contacts to either open or close. The remote bulb thermostat utilizes a sealed bulb that's filled with a mixture of liquid and vapor. As the temperature of the bulb increases, the pressure inside the bulb will increase as well. This pressure is used to push a diaphragm, which in turn causes electrical contacts to open or close. Thermostats can be designed as either line voltage or low voltage devices. Line voltage thermostats are designed to make and break line voltage circuits and can be found on such systems as window air conditioners or electric baseboard heating. Low voltage thermostats are commonly found on residential central air conditioning systems, as well as on most commercial and industrial systems. Low voltage thermostats are desired because they are typically less expensive than line voltage thermostats and are safer, since the voltage in the device is lower than in the line voltage version. When checking a thermostat, it's important to remember that the thermostat is a set of switches that controls the operation of the other system components. Each manufacturer uses a different labeling legend, so be sure to have the service booklet available. Many thermostats operate with mercury-filled bulbs that are connected to bimetal strips. These thermostats must be mounted perfectly level to ensure proper operation of the system. A voltmeter is probably the most useful piece of test equipment when troubleshooting thermostats. Voltage readings are often taken at the sub-base, which is where the control connections are made for the thermostat. If the contacts on a thermostat are in the open position, there will be a voltage reading between the two terminals. If the contacts are in the closed position, there will be a voltage reading of 0 volts. Some thermostats control only heating equipment, some only cooling equipment, and some control both.